So, we're stuck here another day, sitting in the chairs. Got done doing what we had to do. It just got done raining. It's nice out. The cold front came through, and we want to play. And what happens when you play? If you're not breaking it, you're not playing with it. Alright, so, is this another You're Nuts moment?
I'm thinking we're gonna run over a bunch of coffee cans.
There you go. So, recycling with RC's part 2. Coffee can bowling. So what we're gonna do basically is set all these up and well, not you dumbass, I'm telling the people on YouTube. So but anyway, we're gonna like get going real fast, we hope, and you know, like, hey, look at that, and run into some coffee cans.
We gotta teach Ruby how to chase back.
Oh, roll the cans back. Alright, let's start making it. So, this is Larry's first go with Stumpy. This is coffee can bowling with recycling and RCs, and he gets a 1. Okay, got a 1. Alright, this is his roll number 2. And he picks up 7 of them. Oh, 8 of them. So there's 10 total, there's 2 left, so you get an 8. Larry, you got 8. Alright?
Okay, coffee can bowling, Jimmy's turn. We'll see what the purse can do. There it is. I got 8 out of 10. Looks to me like he got 9 out of 10. So. Oh, yeah, well, he tied me. So anyway, now he's having issues. Uh-oh. There he goes. There he goes, he got him.
8 with a spare.
Okie dokie then.
And I got some pretty good sized chunks of bark in there.
Yeah, he picked up some road rash.
It's not like it's broken. No? Aw, I turtled it.
And he has to turtle
Stop
it.
the recording, please. Now.
Yeah, okie dokie. He wants me to stop recording because he's embarrassed.
Alright, so this is going to be Larry's second go at the coffee can recycling with RCs. So he's got to stand down here on the cement pad. Ruby, come on. And when you're starting off, you got to be right there at the beginning of the cement pad on the corner. Okie dokie. Okie dokie, Larry. Hold on. Hold on. He doesn't know that I changed the first pin full of water. Alright. Oh, your phone's ringing, buddy. You still got a few. You still got a few with the water. Here, I'll give you the 10. How about that? Is that a fair trade? It didn't break, did it? You gotta recycle all the cans. There you go. 10. Wait, there's still one standing. There you go. 2 points. Way to go, Stumpy. Way to go, Stumpy. Stumpy the Stampede. So what I didn't think about is having to do it myself. Now that he's done it, he's asking me to do it, and his truck is like pretty monotonously heavy duty on the front. He's got all of the upgrade kits on there, and we got a couple weights in the front, some steel square weights about 3 inches long. Got 2 of those, and they punch right through it. I don't know what the Red Cat's gonna do when it hits the front. This blackout might get blacked out. You never know.
Yeah, he put some water in one of the jugs, didn't tell me, and I didn't know it till I hit it. got a little action with the water spraying around. It's kind of cool. You know, here we go again. This is what we do when we get bored. Coffee can bowling at its best. Jimmy! The head can's the one with the water in it, and he totally missed it, of course. So there you go. Let's see if he can get it this time. Still didn't. Boy, Jimmy. Yeah, one of these times. Oh, Christ's sakes. Yeah. Rhonda, what do you think? Say something. Hi. Yeah, I was photographing Rhonda. She had to get in the picture. And he still ain't hitting it. What the hell? Oh, blame it on something. Can't be operator error. Oh, shit, man.
I'm gonna hit this thing.
You gotta break it open, Jimmy. That's the whole point of it. Pop them. Yeah, you sure do. Oh, man. There he goes. Alrighty then.
So I think by unanimous decision, by all that partook in the fun and destruction and the recycling with RCs, that Larry won that one. I couldn't even hit the head on the pin. As soon as I hit it for something the first time, it jarred that gyro fucking crazy, and that was it. So, I don't know. What do you think, Larry?
Dumbass.
Dumbass? No, you gotta think of something else, Larry.
You're a good man, Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown, he's a clown. No, but anyway, what's the saying?
If you ain't breaking it, you ain't playing with it.
That's it. If you're not breaking it, you're not playing with it. Hi, Rhonda, Rubies. Hi. Oh, she got some waters.